All right, folks, here we are back now. A little harder part of the project. I'm going to install this bracket, which is going to, it's a mounting piece for the CPU heatsink. And I'm still trying to think how I want to install that. So I think I need to put this bracket on. I'm gonna put the screws on. Then I'm going to put the motherboard in the case. Then maybe attach the fans to the heatsink radiator. Put that in the case, and then once both these things are in the case, then I'm going to smear the thermal paste on the chip and actually attach the water block. I think that will be easier to do with the motherboard in the case. So this part is relatively easy. This bracket is designed for different sockets, and you can't see it here, but these arms extend. They got two positions, in and out here. And the out position is what I need for the 17XX, as it's labeled, because I have a 1700 socket. So I think this goes on the back. So the idea is I'm going to lift this up like this, take this adhesive strip off, and kind of line up the holes, and then put this on the back. So I was trying to control my GoPro with my phone. I've got some complaints, Mike. That some things have been out of frame. I'm sorry, it's tough to aim this thing exactly right when it's strapped to my head. So I thought I could control from my phone, but preview not available while recording. So much for that. You can get a preview, I guess, until you start recording. And plus, that drains everything, or drains the batteries like a tub when you're doing this, because it uses direct Wi-Fi and the whole deal. But all right. The adhesive strip is off, so let's not muck this up. Uh-oh, I'm already struggling here. Here we go. All right, all the legs here, I'll call them, are extended, I believe. Should have checked that first. Uh-oh, is that one? Ugh, I can't see. Out. You know what? Let me just double check that. Whoops. Should have done this already. That's out. Yeah, that's out. That's out. That's out. All right, all good there. Let's do it. Lift up. Ooh, almost dropped it. Don't want to do that. All right. Sorry if this is out of frame, Mike, but I think that goes just like that. I think all the holes are lined up. Oh, a little bit there, okay. And I hope there's room in the case for this thing in the back. This is going to add, obviously, a little protrusion. I can take it off now. Obviously, that adds a little thickness to the back of it, but I think that's all she wrote on that. And I will probably put the motherboard in the case next, and then the radiator in the top. Stay tuned for that.